Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. One of the reasons that you should listen to me, I was a former IRS agent, and I'm going to give you the best tax tips that you're going to be able to get. You're not going to get these. I've been in this business for 51 years, 10 years at IRS, worked thousands of cases there, and I've been in tax defense practice for the last 41 years. I am a national expert. I've been on many TV stations like Fox twice, ABC, NBC, News. Anyway, go to my Newsmax, News Nation. I forgot. Just go to 777irs.com, all one word, and you'll go ahead and you'll find out about me. Let me tell you about IRS, the IRS tax debt forgiveness. It's talked about so much, and here's the thing. I worked that program in IRS. I used to accept offers and deny offers for IRS. So you're not going to get anyone on YouTube. That's Sammy. She'll get an appearance fee and a treat. Nice job, Sammy. She'll come back again because she won't find anybody outside. But at the end of the day, you're not going to find anybody more that knows more about tax debt forgiveness than myself. I worked the program. I taught the program in IRS. I was a teaching instructor for the Southeast region of IRS. So let me get into this. Tax debt forgiveness only comes one way, and that's through the offer and compromise program. Offer and compromise. Google the hell out of it. Do all your due diligence on offer and compromise. It's really great because many people do a lot of due diligence, and if you're watching this, you'll probably be listening to a lot of people, and you're hearing this and you're hearing all that. A lot of it's good, a lot of it's crap. So what you have to know is the offer and compromise program is a very targeted program for tax debt. Basically, you're letting IRS know there's no way you have to pay your debt off. If you sell all your assets, you don't have the equity if you sell all your assets to pay the debt. At that point, IRS will go ahead and listen to your offer and compromise. Most people get their offer rejected because of two reasons. Their asset value showed they can pay the tax, and number two, their income and expenses showed they had the ability to pay the tax as well. So as a former agent, what two things am I drilling on for tax debt forgiveness? I want to know what the value of your assets are here. If you have $10,000 in assets, you can't pay any less than $10,000 to the IRS. They want that. They discount your homestead by 20%. As far as your income and expense, this is where most of the offers get knocked out. What people go ahead and list their expenses, but what they don't know is simply this. IRS isn't going to allow all the expenses you have. IRS is going to dump in their expenses, and that's called the IRS National Standards. Google that yourself. You will see in the category of food and clothing, housing and utilities, in car payments and car expenses, IRS will substitute their expenses for yours. And you know what? That leaves a huge gap. Do not submit your offer and compromise if you owe a ton of money by yourself, or give it to someone because he's your accountant or CPA. They're not going to know jack shit about that. I am telling you, they don't. Oh my God, the offers I look at by people who try to submit these, you have to go to someone who knows offers, because if not, you're going to lose your 20%, and you're going to extend your statute of limitation, and you're going to give IRS an inroad right into your financial statement and your credit card stuff. Don't do that. Hire a professional. If you need me, give me a call. By the way, make sure all your tax returns are filed. Critical to have all those returns filed. Thank you so much for listening. I need a subscription, please. The only thing I ask. Thank you.